Hi everyone, my name's Paul. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be looking at my new drill press, which is made by Bosch. It's model PBD40. I've got that wrong a few times in a few takes, and a little bit unconventional compared to a normal drill press, but that's partly what attracted me to it, and I'm keen to get it opened up and get a wee look at it. Okay, so we've had a good look at it now. We've had time to look at what it can do, what its sort of features and stuff are, and get it set up straight out of the box. Who'd have thought I might have had to look at the instructions, but there you go. First thing that stands out that I don't like, at least on initial look at it, is the clamp. I've just kind of spun it around the back here, and I don't know, it's maybe time will tell, but I don't see me using this too much. We'll see how it goes on. The fence, I suppose, is okay. It's nothing flashy, nothing special, but it works. We've got some sort of, I suppose, maybe standard features. We've got stuff like, like a double LED light. We've got a laser crosshair. I don't know what you call it. It's reasonably accurate. If I hold this down as tight as and plunge the point of this bit down in, it's a little bit off, but it's close. We've got an emergency stop. If anything should happen, you can stop it straight away. We've got the usual sort of two gears. We've got low speed, high power, and then we've got high speed. This is supposed as well, because it's electronically controlled, it can sense if you're bogging down into material, and it can put more power to it to give you more consistency as you're drilling into your material. And yeah, so I could have missed more. We've got we're able to set our depth digitally as well. You can fix the drill at whatever position. You can zero. You can see here I had it zeroed where it's at the minute, and it gives you the distance you're plunging. So you can reset it by setting it over here to whatever height. You can zero it at that, and then you can plunge whatever distance you need to plunge. So that could prove useful as well. We'll just have to see again how accurate it is. But overall, first impressions, I'm looking forward to getting to use it. It's not too bad on the noise front. Everything seems a little bit noisier just because I'm in a one-car garage, and it's a bit echoey. We'll put it on at the lower speed setting, just so we can see. We'll turn the RPMs up as well. Actually, at its highest. Right the way down to 210 RPM, 200, and to the higher speed. to 2,500 RPM on the higher speed. It's not too bad, I don't think. Any more or less any power tool I'm using anyway, I use ear protection, so it shouldn't be an issue for me. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with this in the coming weeks. I have to finish up my rider bit cabinet. As I say, I was waiting specifically to get this before I drilled any holes in the shelves to hold the rider bits, because I wanted the holes to be perfectly square on, and just to help with a consistent look for each shelf. So we'll hopefully get that knocked out in the near future. So I hope you find this interesting. If you have any questions about it that I might be able to answer for you, drop a comment. And we'll leave it there, I think. And as I say, we'll hopefully get the rider bit cabinet finished up in the near future. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Paul, and in this video I'm going to be looking at my new drill press, which is a Bosch PBD40. No, it's not. Okay.